This is an ad campaign for the clothing company Salt Life. From fishing, diving, surfing to beach fun, the Salt Life brand makes you want to live the Salt Life. Design. The title is very simple and explains the message of the ad, using convincing words that most people can relate to about the ocean. The important visual of this ad is the ocean. It has great contrast to the typography, "I lost my heart to the ocean." Along with the great contrast is the center alignment, which we have here, and the great proximity between the words ocean and Salt Life. Color. The white type and the opaque type, which we have here, is great contrast with the blue type that we have here. The white works well because the photo is not too light in color. It also pairs great with the turquoise of the ocean and the blues of the sky. Typography. There are 3 different typographies being used in this ad. They are all 3 contrasting to each other and give you a great, fun, playful look. We have the sans serif in the blue, we have the script in the middle, and we have the slab serif in the big ocean word. Now a look at the new Salt Life ad design. Design. The title is very simple and explains the message of the ad just like the original ad. The important visual again of the ad is the ocean. The turquoise water and the blue sky and the white puffy clouds are consistent with the original ad. This ad also has the same center alignment and the proximity between the words veins and Salt Life, just like the original. Color. The white type and the opaque type again are a great contrast with the blue type of the sans serif. It is also a great contrast between the turquoise of the ocean and again the blue of the sky and the white of the clouds. Typography. The typography is close to the same typography that we used in the original ad. We again have the sans serif in blue in the curved writing, script in white in the middle, and the slab serif in the bottom in the opaque white color. In conclusion, I feel that the new ad design works as a great addition to the original ad design because of the similarities with the photo, alignment, proximity, the contrast, color, and typography of this ad.